It has been a long time coming. The first doses of Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine arrive in our state. Healthcare workers who have been on the front lines of this virus from the beginning already getting their first shot. Hello, everybody. I'm Denise Cope.
And I'm Rick Ritter. This news certainly a glimmer of hope as we deal with the deadly second wave of this pandemic. So for the fourth time in the past week, hospitalizations hit a record high of more than 1,700, and it comes as cases near 127,000 statewide.
WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live at the University of Maryland Medical Center downtown, where some of the first vaccine doses arrived. And Mike, I understand you actually spoke to the first person to get the shot here in Maryland.
I did, Denise and Rick. Shawn Hendricks, she's a nursing supervisor. She got vaccinated around 1 o'clock this afternoon. She tells me she's had no side effects so far and that she believes in the science behind this vaccine.
Ready?
The University of Maryland Medical System received its first shipment of COVID-19 vaccine, delivered to the medical center in downtown Baltimore, a sign of hope and a monumental day for the state.
Well, we're all very excited to be a part of this. This is a historic moment for our medical system and our country as we continue our fight against this pandemic.
I was actually thrilled to get the vaccine.
The first person to get vaccinated is Shawn Hendricks, a nursing director who oversees several units caring for COVID patients. 3 of her relatives, including her mother, have survived the virus.
The nurses were the last hand that, was held by some of these patients, and they sat by their sides when their family members couldn't. And again, I'm just thankful that that could have been me, but my mother, made it through.
How do you feel right now?
Right now, I feel good. It's almost like getting the flu vaccine, but I must tell you, the flu vaccine usually stings. I didn't get any of that with the COVID vaccine, and I feel good right now. I have no complaints.
Despite the challenges, the first successful vaccinations are signs that the end is in sight.
Because I know that this is going to be needed so we can end this pandemic, because if we don't, this pandemic is going to be around us longer, and I just think that it's going to get worse.
I just want to say thank you for everything you do, but also thank you for being the first to get the vaccine, to show others how important it is and that this is safe and this is the way we're going to get out of this pandemic.
What's your #1 message to the community?
Get vaccinated. Be open to the possibility that we can come out of this.
And Hendricks' mother spent 2 months recovering from COVID, all while she was caring for patients here. Reporting live downtown, Mike Helgren, WJZ.
All right, Mike, thank you. Now, this vaccine has been sent to hospitals nationwide, and it's all made possible thanks to a massive coordinated shipping effort with UPS and FedEx. So the journey of each box of vaccine starts by semi and then continues by air. The entire logistics effort being tracked real time inside the company's COVID command center. Now, to speed up deliveries, the country has been divided between UPS and FedEx, with vaccines going to all 50 states and U.S. territories as far as Guam. Now, Johns Hopkins doctors know this is certainly a huge undertaking.
This is going to be one of the most challenging public health distribution efforts we've seen. It's going to be hard to imagine this going off without a hitch, that there likely are unanticipated issues that are going to arise when you're shipping that many vaccine doses all around the country.
By the end of the week, nearly 3 million doses will be shipped nationwide. Each box of vaccines carrying 50 pounds of dry ice and then 20 pounds of the vaccine. The boxes have GPS and temperature tracking since the vials have to be kept at -94 degrees.